That's just you doing what you want to do. وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. He is my master, I am his servant. The more you recognize these two, the stronger your tawheed will be. Or should we say, the more tawheed you have, the more obedience you will have. The lesser tawheed you have, the lesser obedience you have, or the lesser tawheed you have, the more disobedience you will have. To the point that a person will disobey, shirk. There's nothing left, there's no iman left in this person whatsoever. He's gone to a point of disobedience where he's just now outright mushrik. He doesn't believe in Allah being his master or that kind of servitude. Why? Because of benefit number 3. The more you have of tawheed, the more you have of obedience, the more you have of tawheed. The more you have of tawheed, the more you have of obedience. And the lower, the lower. Therefore, the author has given us a number